So now that we understand what a matrix is, let's see what we can use it for. And our initial exploration here will be to apply matrices to help us solve systems of linear equations. To do that, we'll need to represent a system of linear equations as a matrix. And we can do that pretty easily by just pulling the coefficients off a system and putting them into a matrix. So here we have an example. And in this example, one thing that you'll note is we're using subscripts to denote the different variables as opposed to, say, x, y, and z. So here we've got an x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3, denoting those typical positions. And that's going to be pretty common throughout the course. So let's go ahead and write this as an augmented matrix. And it's not super complicated, and it won't take very long. We just have to grab the coefficients off of that matrix. So 2, 2, 7, 1, 5, 3, minus 7, 2, and 1, 4, 3, 6. And we need to do one additional thing, and that is we want to maintain an understanding for where the equal sign was in this relationship between the left and right half sides of the equation. And we can do that by just putting a vertical bar to separate that position in the matrix. So now we have an understanding for where that equals was. That's what that's representing. The right side of the equation then is over here, the first column then being x1, the second column representing the coefficients on x2, and of course the third column representing the coefficients on x3. And there you have an augmented matrix.